notification bell. And today I'm gonna be pranking my brother. I'm gonna pretend being suspended from school. And keep on watching.
You got a suspend. He's suspended from school.
Yeah. So, I don't care. I don't know.
Huh?
I'm with you.
Moro, can you tell him what's happening at school? Now, go. It's not funny. Otherwise, I tell him what you're doing and then you got suspended. Go.
You become a real man? Oh, my little brother become a real man.
Moro, I'm serious. Tell him why you're suspended.
You tell him.
No, you tell him what you do at school.
I broke the glass.
Look, he's tapping, he's tapping. You save his ass. What's happened when he was doing that? The bad thing, real bad thing. That's an accident. No. Moro, tell him what happened.
Broke the glass at school.
But that's how he reacts and talk to him. Moro. Roomi, seriously. It's Moro. 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 Yeah. How crazy is he?
Oh, he's beyond the crazy.
Yeah. Oh man. Robbie, he telling you the truth.
Oh, really? Why every time I look at you guys and you start laughing?
Because we know what you're gonna say. It's not good, right? Okay, tucked it up.
Well, we tried, but he can read minds. So if you want to see more videos of me pranking my brothers, please hit the bell, the notification bell, and peace out.